Fried rice for my kids, and straight I will go straight by putting the pot on the fire. I will be adding my stock, my chicken stock. This is my chicken stock. I already prepare it down, so I'll add my chicken stock. I will be adding my maggi, 1 cube of maggi. I'll be adding my curry, I'll be adding my thyme, and I will add a little bit of butter. I will add a little bit of butter. I will be adding my salt, and I will close it to boil up before adding my rice. So now it's boiling up. I will be adding my rice. I'll be adding my rice. I will stir it together. And I will close it to cook and dry. So I guess it's ready now. Yeah, it's ready. I'm going to bring it down from the fire. I'll bring it down from the fire. So I'll be frying my ingredients. I will add my oil. I'll be adding my ingredients. Here is a green pea, red bell pepper, carrot, and onions, and green beans also. Half cube of maggi, and I will add a little bit of salt. I like to add eggs to my ingredients, so I'll be adding one egg. I will stir it together. So I will be bringing it down. I think it's enough like this. It's cooked enough. So I'll be adding don't mind my child. My baby is making some nice music in the background. Please don't just ignore. So please just ignore my baby voice. So I'll be adding it and mixing them together. My children don't really like these veggies inside, but these are really very I slice them very tiny, and they are very super soft. So I am very sure they will eat it. I know 100% they like rice. They eat rice a lot, and basmati rice is a special rice they like, not just all the rice. Only this basmati rice they like. So I'm very sure they will eat it, because that is why I made it really I slice them really tiny, very tiny, and then I make it. Now it's very soft, so they shouldn't have problem in eating it. They have to just be learning it lazam according to German language. So that is it. I will serve it. So my people, this is the last stage of it, and thank you for your time, and please give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in our next video, and bye bye for now.